Hi guys, as you guys can see today I had a little surprise for you guys. Yay! I put my wallpaper up so it can make it more easier for you guys to see me and make the video more clear. And talking about making videos clear, guys, we're using our ring light. Rain light. Yay! So yeah, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for everything. Okay guys, I really appreciate you guys all. And for my new subscribers, you're all welcome. You're all free to join the family. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment, subscribe. Okay, and as you guys can see today, we are about to braid our hair. We are about to do pop smoke braids. Yay! Okay guys, this is the hair I'm going to use. I'm going to use the pre-stretch hair extension. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Okay guys, as you guys can see, today will be my first day doing this style on my hair. I don't braid my hair so often, so I hope I'll do it right. Yeah guys, this is how our hair is looking like. So one more thing, if you want to do this style pop smoke braids, make sure to part your hair in front of your ear, not at the back. Okay, so when you finish your braids, it will be able to look good. When you put it on the back, you part your hair at the back, your hair will not look good. After you finish braiding it, your hair will all fly back, if I'm making sense. So guys, I cannot put my words together right now. I'm busy. I'm trying to get this hair done, so that's why. So guys, stay tuned. Okay, stay with me. Yes, guys, this is how our first braid is looking like. You see, I bring in front of my ear, now back. And a little more jump to hold the hair together. I don't like when I get my hair done and the hair fly, you know. So a little more. Okay guys, this is how our hair is looking like. Not fully finished though. I need to spray my stronghold, TRESemme. Yeah, TRESemme stronghold. And some mousse. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay guys, while we wait for our mousse to dry, we need to finish putting on our beads. So I use bobby pin because the beads holes are big, so they did not send it with the, I don't know, the thing that they put inside the beads before putting into the hair. So That's just how I do it. Put the hair inside the bobby pin, then put the bead. Voila, finish. And I make sure that all the hairs length are same. And we take rubber band, secure the hair till it can't wrap anymore. Then you cut off the leftover. Yeah, cut off the end. Here we're going to use our gel. The white stuff will go away, guys. Here's the mousse. I put it last. That's like taking a time. Oh my goodness. Looking so nice. Like, wow. This is my first time doing this hair, guys. Oh my goodness. And I literally did it at 2 hours. 2 hours, guys. Like, wow. I'm saying no. Oh my goodness. Now, guys, our hair is fully dry, and this is the result. Like, wow. My first time, right? You did an amazing job. It's not easy doing this braid on your own hair, but I managed to finish at 2 hours. So it wasn't that bad. I will link everything I use in the description below, so make sure to check it out, guys. Okay, guys, like I said before, I did this hair myself. The part is not perfect, but what matters is the hair come out looking nice. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Okay, please do me a favor, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will really love it if you guys do so. I love you guys so much. God love you more, and please stay safe out there.